A P0171 trouble code means your engine's fuel mixture is running too lean on bank 1. In plain terms, the engine isn't getting enough fuel. This common check engine code can make your vehicle run rough or lose power. But what causes a lean condition? In this video, we'll go through the 9 most common causes of P0171, so you can pinpoint the issue and get your engine running again when you see system too lean. Cause one vacuum leaks. One of the top causes of a lean condition is a vacuum leak. Unmetered air sneaks into the engine after the mass airflow sensor, throwing off the air-fuel ratio. Common vacuum leak sources include cracked or disconnected vacuum hoses, a torn intake boot or tube, or a leaky intake manifold gasket. When extra air enters that the computer didn't account for, the oxygen sensors detect a lean mixture in the exhaust. The ECU then sets P0171 because it can't add enough fuel to compensate. If you hear a hissing sound under the hood or notice an unstable idle, a vacuum leak could be the culprit. Check all rubber hoses for cracks, ensure the intake pipe is clamped tight, and listen for any whistle or hiss. Fixing a vacuum leak often immediately corrects a lean condition. Cause too dirty or faulty MAF sensor. The mass airflow sensor measures how much air is entering the engine so the ECU can add the appropriate amount of fuel. If the MAF sensor is dirty or malfunctioning, it may underreport the actual air coming in. The result? The engine doesn't get as much fuel as it really needs, leading to a lean mixture and the P0171 code. A common scenario is a MAF contaminated by dirt or oil that throws off its readings. Symptoms of a bad MAF can include hesitations, surging, or difficulty starting along with the lean code. The fix might be as simple as cleaning the MAF sensor with a proper MAF cleaner. If cleaning doesn't help, the sensor may need replacement. Always ensure the wiring connector is secure too. A healthy MAF sensor is critical for the correct air-fuel mixture. Cause 3 leaking PCV valve or PCV system issues. The positive crankcase ventilation system recycles crankcase vapors back into the intake to be burned. It's another potential source of unmetered air when things go wrong. If the PCV valve is stuck open or a PCV hose is cracked, disconnected, it effectively becomes a vacuum leak directly into the intake manifold. This introduces excess air that wasn't measured by the MAF, causing, you guessed it, a lean condition. Many drivers have fixed a P0171 by simply replacing a $10 PCV valve or a brittle PCV hose. Signs of PCV problems can include whistling noises, oil residue around hose connections, or even increased oil consumption. Restoring the PCV system's integrity can eliminate false air and clear that lean code. Cause 4 failing oxygen sensor. The front oxygen sensor on bank 1 monitors the exhaust's composition and helps the ECU adjust fueling. If this O2 sensor is lazy or giving incorrect readings, it can mislead the engine computer. A worn oxygen sensor might report a constant lean condition even if the mixture is actually fine, causing the ECU to enrich the mixture and flag an error when it hits its adjustment limits. While O2 sensors more commonly trigger their own codes, a biased or sluggish sensor can contribute to P0171. The Bank 1 Sensor 1 O2 sensor is the primary one for fuel control on that bank. If you've ruled out leaks and fuel issues, the Bank 1 upstream O2 sensor itself may be the culprit. But a failing O2 sensor can certainly be a root cause of a persistent lean code. Cause 5 stuck open EVAP purge valve. Your car's evaporative emission system purges fuel vapors from the charcoal canister into the intake to burn them. It uses a purge control valve to introduce those vapors at the proper time. If that purge valve sticks open or leaks, it can act like another vacuum leak. This allows excessive air into the intake manifold constantly, skewing the mixture lean, especially at idle or low speeds. Essentially, the engine might be sucking extra air through the fuel tank vent system when it shouldn't be. If P0171 accompanies EVAP system codes or a fuel odor, the purge valve is a prime suspect. Replacing a faulty purge solenoid is usually straightforward and not very expensive, and it can resolve the lean condition if this was the cause. Cause 6. Low fuel pressure. P0171 doesn't always come from extra air. It can be due to not enough fuel. Low fuel pressure in the rail will cause a lean-running engine. This often stems from a failing fuel pump, a clogged fuel filter, or a malfunctioning fuel pressure regulator. Essentially, the engine is asking for fuel but the supply can't keep up, so the mixture goes lean. If you also notice symptoms like loss of power under load, extended cranking on startup, or even misfires, you should check the fuel pressure. A mechanic or experienced DIYer can attach a fuel pressure gauge to see if the pressure meets spec. The fix depends on the culprit. It could be replacing the fuel filter, the pump. Once proper fuel pressure is restored, the engine will no longer run lean and the code should disappear. Cause 7 clogged or dirty fuel injectors. Closely related to fuel pressure, clogged fuel injectors can cause a lean condition by restricting fuel flow to one or more cylinders. If Bank 1's injectors are dirty or partially blocked, those cylinders will run lean and the O2 sensor for that bank will detect excess oxygen. You might experience a rough idle or even a specific cylinder misfire code in addition to P0171. Even on an inline 4 engine, uniformly clogged injectors can lean out the whole engine. Common causes are contaminants in fuel or long-term deposit buildup. Running a tank of quality fuel injector cleaner might help mild cases, but heavily clogged injectors may need professional cleaning or replacement. Cleaning or swapping in new injectors will ensure each cylinder gets proper fuel, correcting the lean condition. Cause 8 exhaust leak ahead of the O2 sensor. An exhaust leak upstream of the Bank 1 upstream oxygen sensor can trigger a false lean reading. How? If there's a crack in the exhaust manifold, a leaking manifold gasket, or a leak where the exhaust header connects, fresh air can be sucked into the exhaust stream. The O2 sensor then senses this extra oxygen and assumes the engine mixture must be lean. The ECU, in turn, may report a lean code because the fuel trims go high trying to compensate. If you hear a ticking exhaust sound near the engine or see soot around a manifold joint, you might have an exhaust leak. This cause is often overlooked during lean condition diagnostics. Fixing an exhaust leak will remove that false oxygen input. After repair, the O2 sensor will see the correct exhaust mixture and P0171 should clear if that was the cause. Cause 9 incorrect or aftermarket air intake modifications. Last on our list, modifications or errors in the intake system. If someone installed an aftermarket cold air intake or high-flow air filter improperly, it can cause a lean code. Often, this is because of air leaks around the MAF sensor housing or using the wrong size MAF housing. Even installing the MAF sensor backwards can cause incorrect readings. Even without mods, a missing MAF seal or a not fully seated air filter can introduce unmetered air. If P0171 appeared right after an intake or filter change, double-check everything. Ensure the MAF orientation is correct, the sensor is plugged in, and no intake tubes are cracked or loose. Proper tuning will prevent lean conditions. The bottom line, the engine should breathe only through metered pathways. Any deviation can upset the air-fuel mix.